Here is a good performance sequence, I think, that's super simple that you can integrate, where you do, if you're the audience, if you turn, you're in a butterfly, right? You turn, I'll show you side view so that you can see what I'm doing with my leg. You turn and tap, squat and stall, come back to butterfly. Turn and tap, squat and stall, come back to butterfly. Now I wouldn't perform it that way. I would perform it facing the audience, but if you're in a 3/4 round, overhand. So if you start an overhand here, if we turn to the right first, you just do your right hand. As you turn your poi to the right, you come underhand, and then what you do is you stick your right leg out to the back, and you tap you tap the right poi on the calf. Then immediately pop it between the legs, and then turn back left to the front. You don't tap your thigh ever. So you turn and tap your calf, then you squat and stall between your legs, and then you come to the front. Yeah. Once you do your squat and stall like this, turn left on your left leg back to your butterfly. So it's turn and tap, leg down, squat and stall, turn left back to the front. Then your left hand does the same thing. So your left hand the whole entire time is just doing this. Yeah, so you're like in a butterfly, the right one comes out, boom and boom. Then you do the other side where the left one comes out, boom and boom. Then the right one, boom, boom. And I think you can repeat it that many times easily and have it be effective as a performance move. And hey, you just took up 5, 6, 7 seconds. And here's what it looks like from the front. So turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly, turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly. Second time through, and then last one on this side. And then you can come into your thread of the needles with your little